I was pleasantly surprised by the friendly service that I received from your company. I'm Charles and I live in Cambridgeshire, and we have 2 children and 2 dogs, so life's very busy. Well, we'd bought a property off an elderly couple and the house hadn't been maintained for many years, so the windows dated back to the 80s, they were blown, they were cheap UPVC units and they were poorly installed. The aesthetics of the windows was a detriment to the house. However, we also suffered draft problems as well, so we needed to have units that would insulate the house properly. Well, we learned a lot about how windows are manufactured. I didn't know what was involved in timber windows. We also learned about the options available now. We purchased them about 6 months ago. It was an excellent experience. We had advice all the way through. We were kept informed as to progress, and whenever we needed an update, the office contacted us very swiftly, so we had confidence that the windows were being built as required. Ordering bespoke timber windows obviously takes a long time, and the manufacturing process takes longer than normal. Well, a straightforward, honest service. You weren't interested in selling us cheap units at an overpriced rate. Aesthetically, they're great. They suit the house, but they also do the job and keep it nice and warm. We've noticed a difference this autumn. I would recommend your company. I'm certainly saving money to have the windows at the rear of the house done, but if anyone asks me for good quality wooden windows, then I will recommend them because they're engineered timber, the structure is good. I've ordered wooden bespoke windows for a Victorian property in the past. They were cheap, they swelled, the window wouldn't open properly. These windows were superb.